Hurricane Katrina not only affected the lives of people throughout the southeastern United States, but also had a significant impact on the United States economy. In the immediate area of New Orleans, where the damage from Hurricane Katrina was felt the most, thousands of people throughout the city were left unemployed and homeless. During and shortly after the storm, many local businesses suffered financially as well, as their buildings were destroyed and looted.
Looting has long been a sad fact post-hurricanes. Also struck this casino in Biloxi, Mississippi, and the New Orleans Walgreens while the one-man band played on. Overnight, police in New Orleans enforced a dusk-to-dawn curfew, carrying automatic weapons, searching buildings, and arresting suspects, trying to protect businesses from a storm that has damaged everything in sight and turned many customers into the enemy.
Hurricane Katrina caused more than $40 billion in insured losses. Damage throughout the city left thousands of people with uninhabitable homes and unemployed. With destroyed houses and little money, many people stopped paying their mortgages, leading to foreclosure. As a result, almost 200,000 people left New Orleans between 2005 and 2006. While the people of New Orleans felt a huge financial burden from Hurricane Katrina, the storm took its greatest toll on our country and the fuel and oil industries. Almost 30% of the United States oil supply comes from the Gulf of Mexico, and damage to many refineries in that area caused a nationwide oil shortage. Gas prices rose, resulting in a national economic recession of over 3% in just 3 months. However, since the economy has stabilized, the restoration of New Orleans has been soaring, and in 2006, many influential people, such as Saints quarterback Drew Brees, were more than willing to help out. While the city of New Orleans will never be the same after Hurricane Katrina, 90,000 people have already returned to the city, and that number is still increasing. The fact that we have recovered from Katrina to this extent in just 5 years speaks volumes to the resilience of the United States economy, but even more to the heart of the people of New Orleans.